I remember seeing 101 Dalmatians, and the scene of them hiding under the stairs made a really big impression on me. Pinocchio. Boy, I don't know. Tramp, I guess, from Lady and the Tramp. That's a trick question because my favorite TV show is Johnny Quest. But that was actually started out in primetime and is misremembered as a Saturday morning show. So I'll say Johnny Quest, even though it wasn't Saturday morning. Totoro. They all blur together with me because I look at old films and new films. And well, I like Coco. Yeah, a lot.